सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Namaste. Today I will talk about our scriptures, that is, the Shastras. Our entire scriptural literature is generally called Shastra. The word Shastra is derived from the root Sha, which has two meanings, one to command and the other to teach. So, Shastram means literature which commands the human beings in the initial stages and then teaches the human beings in the later stages. Shankara compares Shastram to a mother. A mother commands the child initially because the child is not mature enough to understand the significance of the commandment. When one has grown up sufficiently, gradually we remove commandments and threats and they are replaced by teachings, which include convincing, enlightenment, and elevation. The entire scriptural literature can be presented in six layers or six groups. The first and foremost is known as the Vedic literature, known as Vedas in general. They are very vast literature consisting of about 20,000 and odd mantras. The entire Vedic literature is divided into four groups known as the Rig Veda, the Yajur Veda, the Sama Veda, and the Atharvana Veda. The Rig Veda consists of Rig mantras which are in the form of metrical composition, poetic compositions. Yajur Veda consists of Yajur mantras which are prose compositions. Samaveda consists of Sama mantras which are in the form of music. Atharvana Veda consists of mantras which are mostly given by two well-known rishis, Atharva Rishi and Angiras Rishi, and hence the name Atharvana Veda. Now, the next question is, who is the author of the Vedas? We do not look upon the Vedas as human composition. They are not products of human intellect. They are revelations from the Lord Himself. God does not give out the Vedas directly to humanity, but God reveals the Vedas to the humanity through a media called Rishyaha. Hence, they are called Apaurusheya, Pramana. Apaurusheya means not born out of human intellect. Pramana means source of knowledge. How are these Vedas transmitted? These Vedas were primarily received and transmitted in Shabda Rupa alone. They were not written down. That is why we don't have a specific script for Sanskrit language because it was never written. Since the Vedas came down in the form of Shabda Rupa, it is also known as Shruti, which means that which is received by hearing. So, these Vedas, these Shrutis, these mantras, these Apaurusheya Shabda form the first, the foremost, and the primary scriptural literature. And all the other scriptural literature is based on this Vedic foundation only. And that is why our culture is called Vedic culture, that is Vaidika Sampradaya. And here we are all Vaidikas. We will continue this discussion next time. Hari Om.